Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with all of you fast and definite tense. Okay, so today listen, we have a fast and definite tense. The fast and definite tense, also known as the simple past, is a verb tense used to describe completed actions in the past. It is formed using the following structure. I will share with you who here are structure for regular verbs. It's mean we use for regular word subject plus verb in the past tense plus object. For irregular verbs, we use subject plus irregular verb in the past tense. We can use them or plus object. So these are structure of past and definite tense. Here is examples. Regular verb. Regular verb we can say I walked to school. I walked to school. She ate breakfast. She ate breakfast. They watched a movie. They watched a movie. Next we have irregular verb. I went to the park. Here I went to the park. He took a book. He took a book. She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. The past indefinite tense is used to. It means it's modified to us. Describe we used to describe completed actions in the past. Talk about past habits or routines. You can say that we will talk about in past indefinite tense or simple past that we have. Talk about past habits or routines. Mention past events or experience. We can say both events or experience. We can mention in past indefinite tense. Past continuous. Now we have to discuss another tense that we have fast continuous tense. The fast continuous tense, in this tense we will talk about that it's also known as a past participle past progressive tense. It means the fast continuous tense, also known as the fast progressive, is a verb tense used to describe ongoing actions in the past. It is formed using the following structure. I would like to share with you structure. So do it, practice, take it using the following structure into sentence. It will help you to improve your fast progressive tense, or we can also noun fast progressive tense is a fast continuous tense. Now we have structure. Subject plus was verb plus verb I. We will use here ing form. In every continuous tense we will use ing form, because if we are not putting this thing or we are not writing, so then our continuous tense is not, it's incomplete. So now we have subject plus was verb plus verb ing, the present participle form plus object you can use. And the present participle form you can use both was verb, you can also use in past participle. Examples: I was studying for my exam at a specific point in the past, because when I was studying for my exam, so this is a point at a specific point in the past. She was working on her project at a specific point in the past. They were teaching English, you can say, or they were watching TV at a specific point in the past. So you can use both. Now we have the past continuous tense is used to describe what action I'm going to discuss. Describe actions and progress at a specific point in the past. It's describe progress at a specific point in the past. It talk about actions that were in progress when another action occur. It means first action will be continue, the second action will occur. The first action will continue, the second action will what? The second action will occur, take place. You can also say show cause and effect relationship between actions. It shows cause and effects between it's mean affects relationship show relationship between actions. It shows cause and effect relationship between actions between two actions. Describe interrupted actions. It will show interrupted action as well described. Unite talk about fast trends or ongoing situation. So here is the thing. The fast continuous tense is used to describe the following actions, the following situation. You can use them in your daily life. This tense, I hope you learn everything thing to understand fast continuous tense is used to is very easy, but if you give time, if you are not giving time, so then how you will learn? The first thing is that if you give time to anything, you will get everything. Time is a beautiful teacher. You can improve your all tenses by this way. You watch this video again and again, you should watch, you will understand well. This tense will help you a lot of, it will improve you. It's been fast continuous tense. Mostly we use in our daily life, as you know that when we have problem, so in the fast and still it's continue or whatever you can say like this. So it's describe action and progress at a specific point in the past. So you have to understand on, you will get a lot of knowledge, so you have to understand it. Try to understand, you will get knowledge. If you give time, you will get. So thanks for watching this video.